Welcome to Wildcard Game 1 of the 2016 CCBL season. Here we have Adam. Adam is 0-2, the 6th seed, and he will be facing the 3rd seed, Luke, who is 2-3. Cameron is 2-3 too, and he will be playing a Wildcard Game 2 against Alan, the 4th and 5th seed. So let's get this game on before it gets cold, maybe even rains. Welcome to Wildcard Game 1. Here's the first pitch from Luke, the 3rd seed. Ball in the dirt, walks him on 6 pitches. Pitch. Hits him! 1st and 2nd. Hits him again! Bases loaded! He's I'm dying! What was it?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, just a pie! That walks in a run. Then he swings. Strike 1. Oh, strike 2. And that's foul ball. Whoa, that's rocketed. Strike 3. Strike. Foul ball. Strike 3. We're going into the bottom of the 1st. Cavs' first pitch at the bottom of the 1st. Just outside. Oh, inside. Oh, did it hit him? We've moved to a 6-point count for a reason. And that's a single. He's throwing it. Did not hit it. Knuckleball hits him. Bases loaded, no outs. And that's a single up the middle. Strike 3. Got him. In the dirt. That walks in a run. 2-1 Luke. And that's a single. Here's the throw. Oh! Missed it! You have to hit the target. Yeah, I don't even play. Oh! Adam fields it, it's an out. We're changing sides. Oh, strike 3! Balking like crazy. Nope. Oh! Oh! It's a triple! Strike 3!
Strikes him out with his
Yeah!
weird.
We're going into the bottom of the 2nd. single. Hits it! Luke is moving on. Wow! Wow! Luke, how does it feel? Wow! Here, go from there.
Cheated on anything.
Yeah, he cheated. He cheated.
Oh my God, he really did.
I got on phone.
That's why he did this. He went like that. He said Illuminati confirmed before that play. He went like that. He was cheating.
I think we found our clickbait title. Illuminati confirmed.
That's the thumbnail.
Brendan, and I'm here with this winner, Luke. How do you feel about your opponent calling you? He's weird. I'm saying you're part of the Illuminati. Are you?
They know.
All right, today you heard it here, folks. He's part of the Illuminati.
I'm not.
Let's just do it inside. Oh my God.
Hi, I'm Brendan. I think you already know that, but due to inclement weather conditions, we had to move inside our facility. Luke, how many strikeouts do you think you had today?
0.
You had some strikeouts.
Okay, it looks like we have some crazy fans outside. How do you feel about them? Who's Alan? All right. How many strikeouts do you think you had today?
About 1 million.
All right.
And you lost still.
I hit a dinger.
Do you think you can beat your opponent in a fight 1v1 mano a mano in Blitzball?
But I bet I could beat him in Club Penguin.
All right.
He's not banned, so I can't fight him right now.
All right, you heard it here. He challenges Luke to 1v1 in Club Penguin.
Just slow.
1-1. Oh, that's a dinger!
Up, foul ball.
Ball.
I fell off the mound.
You know that this camera's catching everything you're doing too, right?
Funny. Hit scores 1. Yep.